Hello, everybody. Felecia Townsend coming at you today with another. Make sure I got my mic on. Okay, yeah. I just totally started. I be starting these videos and kind of like forgetting, like, okay, what do I need to do? Put around me. My lights, are they on me? But anyways, all right. So I got my mic on. Got my lights going. So this is another builder all review video, if you will. There's gonna be a ton of things that I need to talk. This is only my second video, but I tell you. I just want to show you the power of Builderall. Now, I have run into a glitch. This is still, a lot of this stuff is still in beta testing. Builderall has just come to the United States not too long ago. So, you probably haven't heard of it. And there's like a ton of things that I'm going to share with you. And I want you to know who Builderall is for. And Builderall is for people who get online and they they want to make a website. They want to get a squeeze page going. They want autoresponder. It's for people that need services. I mean, everybody needs like a home online. Everybody needs a website. With Builderall, you don't have to get WordPress anymore. I mean, you will probably have to get a domain, but you can get a .info like I have. I have some .infos, and you can actually connect that domain to your Builderall so that you can actually send out emails. So you're gonna need a domain, but you don't have to actually use your domain. Just use it for your email setup, and we'll go over that in some follow-up review tutorials on Builderall. But I wanted to show you something that is really sweet. I do a lot of PLR products where I have to file transfer protocol, like I have to use FileZilla and upload my sites to the new domain that I've bought, and I have to do all that before I can even test out traffic to the squeeze page, right? Well, with Builderall, I could just take one of my squeeze pages that I get in my PLR reports or PLR packages, and then I can configure it, if you will, with Builderall and actually run traffic to that particular site, my Builderall site, before I even purchase the domain, if you will. Do you know what I'm saying? So if you can't follow me, check this out. Let me show you this. All right, so this site right here that I just created not too long ago before I even started this video, because I wanted to see if it will work. All right, I'm gonna go in here. I'm gonna click edit. I've not published it yet, so I have to click edit so you can see it. Okay, I'm gonna go over here to another tab. This is on my own computer, okay? This particular page is on my computer. So check this out. This is the offer that I am considering, running, but I want to do this as a demo. Or as a case study, if you will, but a demo of what the power of Builderall. So this is my squeeze page that I got with a product that I can use as a lead magnet or a tripwire, or whatever you want to call it. Discover 5 highly effective lead magnets for building a massive email list from scratch, because I have a great product. This is an awesome product to show you how to build your email list. So as you can see, it's a simple landing page that's been proven to convert. Just use your best email, then click the button to instantly get access to your free training, right? Get your guide to lead magnets free. And it says right here, insert autoresponder code, and then it has all this stuff here, right? So what I did was, at first I took, like I actually, in order to get this main image right here, what I did was I just right clicked and I copied image address, and then when I went to Builderall to actually put in that image, I just pasted it in my box where I would actually find the image on my computer. And if you don't understand that, I'll show you that in another video, but this is pretty great. A lot of people don't really realize that you can copy an image like that and use it without having to download it or use Jing or whatever to actually get the image address, get the actual image. So I'm gonna show you. I put it in Paint. This particular bottom part right here. This particular part, because I wanted to get rid of insert autoresponder code. So I just put it in Paint. That particular image, and I took the eraser right here, and I made sure my color was on white, and I just erased all of this here. And then I saved the image. I also resized it. I did that by clicking on resize, and then I went to pixels, and I unchecked the maintain aspect ratio, and I just changed I think that vertical part was like 281 or whatever, and I put 581. Okay, which gave me a bigger picture. I saved it in Paint, and then I came back over to Builderall. Let's see if we can if it's pulled up, and then I put it in Builderall, and then I pasted my email, which I'm gonna show you. This is Builderall right now, so this is how the page looks. Okay, the one that I did, I put my little logo up here at the top, right here, and then this is all picture. I took this is all just pictures. I just right clicked, save the picture. All of this, as you see it, all of this is just like the squeeze page that just came out of the box. And then, as you can see, I pasted in the email, and I put give it to me, and then you have that right there on the bottom, and that's pretty much it. And you got your privacy disclaimer, contact, blah blah. I haven't filled that in yet, but basically I went here, clicked on the little plus line as far as to get the autoresponder code, and I just chose a list that only has the email that you need to get. So email marketing, and I click this, and it'll pop up the different emails. I'll click this, and it'll populate on my form, and then I'll configure it to a list that only has the email that you need to put in, because I only want to get the email. Okay, so yeah, that's pretty much it. So this is actually, if you look at the page, I'm gonna go ahead and preview it so that you can see without all the lines. Okay, this is how the page looks. Not very bad for like 5 minutes of work. And if you don't know how to do FTP, this is completely awesome. So that way you don't have any excuse. Now, if you have PLR and you don't know how to do FTP, and you've paid people to actually upload your sites and all that other stuff, you can do full websites, full sales pages. But this is the squeeze page. Only thing a person will have to do is put in their email address right here, and blah 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 blah, and then click give it to me, and then I'll have follow-up email. Well, I'll have a thank you, but probably an upsell, and then a thank you page. Now, what I want to say is, so this is how it looks. It looks very much like the original. Very good. As you can see here on my computer, the only thing is it doesn't have the border. I'm pretty sure I can make that, but you know what? I'm happy with the way it looks here. I could care less about a border. It's just basically getting the squeeze page up here and ready for traffic. Now, the only bad thing that I can't quite figure out yet is this is the desktop version. The mobile and I think this is the iPad version is all screwed up. So, but when I go in to change it all and then to save that, then it changes the desktop version. And so I have got to figure out how to change the mobile and the iPad version. You see how all this looks, and that's why I took my bonus page off below my video, because it does not look like it needs to look. So I got to figure out how to do this, or if I need to have multiple pages. So that's the only con right now, that I can't. What I'm doing is I'm just saving it in desktop mode, so that it looks great to me, because I am working on a desktop when I'm building this. But I understand mobile is really, really popular, and I need a mobile ready site. So until I can figure out how to do that, or if you already in Builderall and you know how to do that, I just haven't gotten to that part yet. And but I'm sure it'll be easy peasy once I figure that out. And but that is just something that is tedious, because I would rather be able to save it individually under individual tabs, and then go back to each one and they look perfect. But I found that whenever I save it under like, say, a mobile, then I go back to desktop, it's all screwed up. So I gotta figure that out. But right now, that'll be my next learning curve. So basically that's it. And when I went back to return to edit. Let's go back there. So then it puts me back in edit mode, just like this. and just say that I'm going to go ahead and, save whatever I got. So I'm going to go ahead and click on this little button here that's going to save it. I don't think I made any changes, but it'll probably tell me that. And then, yeah, it's saving, so there are no modifications. I'm going to save it. And then I'm going to go ahead and, even though I didn't make any changes, and then I'm going to go, okay, it said it may take 5 minutes. Okay, and then I'm going to go over here back to my drag and drop, and you see where it says inactive. I want to go ahead and click more options, and I'm going to go ahead and publish this. So yeah, and so that way I'm going to make a lot of changes to it, but that way it's active now, and then I can just click on this link, and then it opens in a new tab. So that way I can just totally take a look at it. And well, that doesn't work right there because it's not ready yet, basically, because it's gonna take about 5 minutes. And that's the first time I published it. So it really takes less than 5 minutes usually. But when I click that, it should be able to, the next time, I'll give it a few minutes, then it'll be able to, you'll see the site. So basically, that's pretty much it on this video. I just wanted to show you how easy it is to actually just kind of almost copy and paste PLR content, particularly squeeze pages. You want to be able to pop those out real fast. And if you don't know how to do FTP, this is an easy process, and you can enlarge your image or decrease an image in Paint, and then you can put your opt-in form where it needs to be, and just basically get your page out as if you actually FTP'd it itself, and it looks pretty. I say this looks pretty good, and it's got the email already in there, and I could just run traffic to this particular page before I have to go and try to create it with a new domain, if you will. And I think that's pretty much what this video is going to be about. I also have a bonus page. I don't have it pulled up right now, but if you go now, it will have to be on your desktop. But if you go to FeliciaTownsend.info/B bonus, just B bonus, then you'll see the bonus page. And I'm still adding more. Like, we're gonna have a Facebook group, Facebook ads, Bing ads, YouTube. You're gonna get a YouTube cheat sheet that's gonna show you how to do YouTube videos. You're gonna get you're gonna be able to join our Facebook group. Did I say that? And then you also get some private training from me if you join under my link to the Builderall platform. So basically, it's free. You get a free 7-day trial. I'll put the link below this video. I mean, you just can't ask for more in one software tool. I mean, it's going to save you a lot of money, especially if you plan on being in this space for a while online. All right. So I think I've said enough. I'll be making more Builderall videos and tutorials, and I'm doing a walkthrough of the back office and showing you what's possible with this platform and the many things that you can do. So I got a lot of work ahead of me, and I just want to show you what's possible with this. And you can obviously make money promoting Builderall, but I've gone over some of that in a previous video. So make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, and so you'll get more videos you'll get a notification when I put out videos, in case you are just really on the fence right now and don't really know if this is right for you. So with all that being said, I'm going to go ahead and drop the video, and I'll see you on the next video. Until then, Felecia Townsend signing out. Goodbye for now.